Welcome back to the Booster Jaden YouTube channel, everyone. Today we're going to be swapping out the Momo steering wheel in the Daily Swift for a NARDI one that I have. Let's get into it. For today's install, we literally only need the NARDI wheel, which is a pretty cool wheel made in Italy. It's got a number on it at the front and it's got whatever that is engraved into it. Looks alright, with the flat bottom on it. The NARDI horn button, which I sense it's not a horn button, I sense it's just a cap, so we'll probably have to reuse the Momo one, unfortunately. But that's okay. The steering wheel I think will be a better option for the daily, and I'll explain why soon. So we'll begin this video by unscrewing the steering wheel, all the little bolts off them. Or actually start by pulling out the horn button actually. We'll remove the positive and we'll remove the earth. On these, that one that's always flat on the bottom is positive. The one that points upways is negative. This one has none. So now we need to take all of our screws out. So I want to make it just that bit more daily friendly for myself. It does sit quite far forwards, this wheel, with the 5cm spacer on it. Wheel off, which it's nice. It's a Momo. It's a, I don't know if you can see that in the corner there, Momo. And then we're going to look at fitting this one, which to do that we're also going to need to pull off the spacer and rearrange it. Alright, I'll tell you the truth. On the Momo wheel, you'll see up the top here there's a little bit of damage to the yellow. Well, that happened the first time I cleaned the steering wheel. I don't know if you meant to clean them or how you meant to clean these steering wheels. If you know, please comment below. It's not completely damaged, it's just the top part. It's only a little bit of yellow. So this for the daily, for the TM, daily TM. And this one for the daily Swift. Take the rest of our screws out and then we'll pop the spacer off. And then we'll sit the wheel on and see how we're looking. Quite a nice spacer that actually, and now I feel like it's miles away. That's funny. Okay, so we've got a taped up one there, which was a spare horn airbag, which I don't give a rat's about. That's for the earth, which connects on there. Okay, so it looks like we've got 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's just no way that could physically fit on this boss kit. Like it doesn't line up or anything. Or wait a minute. Oh my god. It turns. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's just a plate. Oh. So now we know that I'm not nuts. Let's see if it'll fit now. Oh yes, it does. Oh yes. Oh yes, please. Oh my god, which way does this go? Does it go like that? No, it must sit, sit this way? Yep. So what we'll have to do is put a crimp connector on there so that we can use that as an earth. I got no steering wheel to grip onto. Okay, so back to mounting the horn. So wires through, wires there, wires up through the hole. And then I'm going to begin by finding just the first one to get it started. Oh, curse you, NARDI. Making my life complicated. That's 2 screws in. I can tell you one thing about NARDI, and that's that the steering wheel does not feel very stable. However, that's why we're going to give it a review in about a fortnight's time and see if I like it or don't like it or whatever. How does that feel? Special. And then we've got extra long ones to fit the horn. So we'll now take our horn button, cut that off, we'll reopen up the wire. I don't have my famous tool that I have up at the workshop. I'm out of the workshop at the TM lockup at the moment. Crimp it. Perfect. Working. Just put this on here, and then that will conclude a steering wheel install. Simple, really. It's temporarily going to be cruising around with the Momo until I can sort that out. No biggie though, it's only a horn button. Plus we've got the police horn anyways. Oops. That's going to do it for another video, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the NARDI steering wheel install. I won't be leaving it in there forever. I will be resorting it back to Momo eventually, but for now I just need to trial it out and see what's going on with it, because I've had it for months and months and months and I've never ever tried it out for myself. And then we'll do a review in a couple of weeks and I'll tell you which one I think's better and why and what benefits and, you know, downsides are. With that, everyone, remember to follow me on Instagram. Link will be down here. Well, it'll be on the screen of where to follow me, and subscribe if you haven't already. With that, have a fantastic day, night, wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you very soon in the next video. I have very quickly discovered that I don't like the NARDI steering wheel. It's not straight, the button doesn't sit in it correctly, the indicators, although they're really close like factory, I really don't like that. The flat bottom, really not my cup of tea. Unless you're driving a Prius, I don't know why you'd want a flat bottom steering wheel for. It's ridiculous, it's the silliest thing I've ever felt in my bloody life. And with that, I'm going to have it removed over the next couple of days. We'll go back to the Momo for the daily, and we will use this one as a garage ornament, and that'll be that.